Hi guys, and welcome to today's 3ds Max tutorial session. In today's session we are going to see about the exterior lighting. Before getting into the exterior lighting topic, let us see about the Google images, how it looks like. For example, take a look at this image. This is a real image which have been photographed. As you can see, the light or the sunlight falls in front of the building face and the shadows followed through. This kind of effect is what we have to keep in mind. The shadows and the light phase is what is going to control your photorealistic effect. Let's get into this. I already have made a model, and this model and this file will be available for your download for practice. All you have to do is set up the lighting and practice it again and again. So let's do one thing. I'm going to set up the light over here. Let's go to the front view. We are going to set up the sun so that we'll have the most realistic feeling. Let's create the sun. Go to the creation tab. Go to the lights. In here you choose sun. So let's create the sun. Just keep your mouse as far as possible and then point where the source of the sun has to be. Click and drag so that you can point the target of the sun to fall on. Let's say I'll keep it here. Now it is asking, would you like to automatically add a sky environment map? I'll say yes. Just give yes. So let's go to the top view. So this is how my sun is going to look like. In between, what I'm going to do is go to the camera view and render it and see how it looks like. Just click on the render button. All the settings and everything has been done already. So this is how my image is going to look like if my sun is positioned at that particular height. So let's do one thing. Let's try a trial and error method. From the front view, I'm going to adjust the sun height. So let's see how it actually works. Let me bring it a little more to the down. Let's render it now. You can click at the shortcut render button over here. The light diminishes. If you want a more brighter image, take the sun as far as possible from here and keep it at the top. Now if you render, you'll have a brighter image. So this is how it will actually look like. You can play with the sun at the height, but I suggest for you to never touch the settings or the parameters of the sun, because by default the sun settings has been set perfectly. Playing with this might cause you some little problems, or it might even end up in spoiling your photorealistic image. That's it for the sun daylight effect. I'll see you in the next session.